Hi, I'm Dr. Tejas Patel, and one of the great services we offer now at our practice is screening our patients and our guests for snoring as well as sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a very severe condition that many people suffer from that don't even know about it, and snoring is one of the leading signs of it. So if you're suffering from snoring or sleep apnea or have a CPAP that you're uncomfortable with, please let us know, give us a call, and we can sit and do a screening, complementary screening, to figure out what's going to be the best solution for you. And also, if you have medical insurance, we're now able to help you with that and help maximize your benefits. So please give our office a call, and we look forward to hearing from you, and we look forward to helping you out. Thank you.